et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je m'appelle Séverine, je suis votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I'm Séverine and I'm here to teach you French before you travel to France. How to say and read 10 common French words that look impossible to say when you read them. You will also find a transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. You will need it for this lesson. Are you ready for this new challenge? I'm about to speak French now. Well, let's start with a four-letter word, very common. Hier. Hier. H-I-E-R. Yesterday. Yes, hier means yesterday. Don't pronounce the H. H are silent in French. Then ye, same as you or yes, and then R. In French, ER makes the same sound as R. Hier, hier, yesterday. Repeat after me. Hier. Now, escargot. Escargot. Can you guess what it is? Snail. I know you like this noun. Escargot. All right, the spelling is E-S-C-A-R-G-O-T, right? Escargot. You don't pronounce the T at the end. Escargot. A C in front of A makes the sound K. Escargot. Un escargot ou l'escargot. This is masculine. Say again. Escargot. Baignoire. Baignoire. Can you guess what it is? A bathtub. The spelling is complicated. It's B-A-I-G-N-O-I-R-E. Bathtub. Baignoire. Remember, A-I makes the sound A, and the cluster GN makes the same sound as in onion, the N, and the cluster of vowels OI makes the sound W, same as what, and you barely voice the E at the end. So let's try again together. Baignoire. Baignoire. All right, let's move to another word. Agneau. Agneau. The spelling is A-G-N-E-A-U. Agneau. Agneau means lamb. Yes, lamb. Remember that in French, all sounds are short, even if you see 2 or 3 vowels together. When you have a vowel cluster with AU or EAU, you simply say O. The cluster GN makes the sound Ni. The cluster GN makes the sound N, as in onion. Repeat after me. Agneau. Agneau. This is masculine. Un agneau ou l'agneau. Great. Accueil. Accueil. A-C-C-U-E-I-L. Sounds complicated, right? Accueil is the welcome desk or lobby desk in a hotel, a station, an administration, right? So the double C makes the sound K. And then the cluster U-E-I-L will sound close to the A sound in butter, followed by a Y sound. Let's try it. Accueil. Accueil. Right. Accueil is masculine. Un accueil, l'accueil. Pétillant. Pétillant. P-E-T-I-L-L-A-N-T. Sparkling. Yes, pétillant means sparkling. Just in time for the bubbles, right? Remember that the double L in French makes the sound ye, as in yes or you. And for the spelling A-N-T, you don't pronounce the T, just the semi-vowel en. Let's practice together. Pétillant. Pétillant. Good. Now let's look to another word. Volaille. Volaille. The spelling is V-O-L-A-I-L-L-E. Here you have a diphthong, right? So what volaille means? Volaille means poultry. Yes, it's all about chicken, ducks, and such on. Here, meaning the two vowel sounds with the same syllable A. Start with the vo with a low pitch O, then L, then I. Volaille. Volaille. Repeat after me. Volaille. Volaille. Volaille is feminine. La volaille, une volaille. Here's a word a lot of people like. Pâtisserie. Pâtisserie. Can you guess? Yes, pastries. In French, double S makes the sound S, like in snake, not sh. Pâtisserie. In French, when E is after two same consonants and followed by a consonant, you don't pronounce it, right? Please note that or somewhere if possible. In French, when E is after two same consonants and followed by another consonant, you don't pronounce it. Pâtisserie. Pâtisserie. As for the funny hat accent, but you can see that is called accent circonflexe and does not change the pronunciation of A. You might want to keep it a low pitch. Let's practice. Pâtisserie. Pâtisserie. La pâtisserie. Pâtisserie is feminine. All right, here's another one. Printemps. Printemps. Can you guess? P-R-I-T-M-P-S. A lot of clusters of consonants. Well, printemps is spring. Yes, nous sommes au printemps. We are in spring. Printemps. Nous sommes au printemps. Spring. Printemps is also the name of a Parisian department store that you have in Paris. You don't pronounce the consonants at the end of French word. You drop the PS and use two semi-vowels, un et en. For un, your mouth is half open, lips are stretched. For en, your mouth is open with the tongue all the way in the back. Pr. You need to practice. Repeat after me. Pr, prin, printemps. Printemps. This is a masculine noun. Le printemps est au printemps. And let's finish also with a four-letter word, rien. Rien. R-I-E-N. Rien. Meaning nothing. Nothing in French translates by the word rien. Starts with the R sound. I know you need to practice and you need to gargle. And then combine y and the semi-vowel sound. Un together. Rien. Rien. Lips are stretched. Let's put it together. Rien. Rien. Repeat after me. Rien. Good. Voilà, c'est la fin du challenge. Here you go, you completed this challenge. And check my Facebook page and my YouTube channel for more content. I hope you enjoy these new French words. Keep listening. Merci. À bientôt. Au revoir.